Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. What do you get a couple that has been married for 50 years? They pretty much have everything. Well, I was able to come across this beautiful 50 years of love print. This is from TOBOHU. And what I really like about it is that it really is quite pretty. It's very simple, but they really sent it in such a protected, secure way. So I'm confident that this is going to make a nice gift. As you can see up close, it came with a thin sheeting that will protect the plastic that is on the outside of this burlap. The print itself is indeed a burlap fabric, and it's screen printed right on. They even included the holder for the back as well as a nail that you can use to put this up. It's made of a durable wood frame, and you have plastic bubble wrap and a box to put it in as well. So being married 50 years these days, we know it's quite a feat, and what a beautiful way to show them that you really appreciate all those years of love that they have. Beautiful frame and print from TOBOHU, but that's just my point of view.